Hey guys, welcome to Logging Ups. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Indeed account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Indeed account online on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address indeed.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Indeed over here, guys. You can see, and now, in order to log into your Indeed account from the home page, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the sign in button available for us. Click on that sign in button. And guys, over here you have the power to go, or you have the access to go to your Google or your Apple IDs respectively. If you click on either of these buttons, which says continue with Google or continue with Apple, a login page to your Google or your Apple account will open. And if you log into your respective account, you will be signed into your Indeed with your Google or your Apple account which you chose. And with that being said, guys, for a manual email address login, let's enter our email address over here which we have signed up for an Indeed account. And after that, click on continue. And if you have not signed up for an account, this kind of email will be shown to you where it says create your account or keep your account. But if you have already continued, guys, on the next step you will be required to enter your password over here like this, guys. And after entering your password, you will be able to log into your Indeed account on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how you log into your Indeed account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.